68, the CNG division, extended skirting. We have 3 of these. 27 by idling. Can't get to talk louder. Or 65. Here's its other sister. We have 3 of these. 67. We can do a walk around at 67. Why not? We do a walk around. So there's 3 of these. They're all 2020s. They replaced 2006 ICCEs. They got the Ford Triton engine. We'll go over here to 69 real fast. They're all the same. There's 69, 67, and 65. Let's just go inside one of them. We'll go inside 65. It's like the soap dispenser's broken. Oh, I love these Visions. Oh, I went to look for the build plate. That's not where they are on Bluebirds. Yeah, came from Cardinal Bus Sales. It was made in June of 2019. Yeah. And this is 60 or 69, 67 over there, and 65. Yeah, that's all 3 CNG Visions. Thanks for watching.